So this video is in collab with Nail Addict. I am going to be showing you guys how I make my own press-on nails. I have 3 different sets that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. So I hope you enjoy this video. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Shout out to Nail Addict for partnering with your girl for this video. They sent me these beautiful gel polishes and a nice little lamp to cure the polish. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I set up my press-on nails and do my own press-on nails at home. This video is voiceover style. I do apologize. I was listening to music and I didn't want to risk getting any copyright strikes. So I hope you guys do not mind. Anyways, let's get into it. So the first color they sent me is called Sea, Swing, and Sun. This is a nice nude. It's a nice brown nude. And the second one here is called Serendipity. This is a nice green that has like some glitter in it, some gold and black glitter in it with tones of green. Really pretty color. Then I have this beautiful bubblegum pink. This one is called Less is More, which is another nude type of color. It's like a pink nude, really pretty. And this color actually smells like bubblegum. It smells really good. Alright, and the next color that I have here, it is a really nice khaki, kind of like a natural beige looking color. I don't know the exact name for this color, but the color for Nail Addict name is Ice Skating, which is really cute. And then I have here my base coat, which is just a clear top coat. And that is pretty much all that they sent me. And they've also sent me a lamp, you guys. I will show you guys what the lamp looks like. There it is. It is a mini UV LED lamp. It's small, but it actually works really well. It did the job. It cured the nails perfectly. I didn't have to worry about like it being sticky afterwards. The polishes were a really good consistency. The light, even though it was small and compact, it did what it needed to do. It didn't take up a lot of space on my table. I love that about it. And it's really simple and easy to use. It comes with these instructions that pretty much tell you how to set it up, how to use it, the do's and don'ts. And then it also has this cord here, which is your typical traditional USB cord. It didn't have a plug. So what I did was I had another plug at home for a device that I wasn't using anymore, so I just went ahead and used that, and it worked fine. So if you don't have a plug, you might have to buy one off of Amazon or just use one that you have laying around the house already. And then I'm just going to show you guys how to open up the lamp here. It's pretty simple. As you can tell, it has the legs at the bottom. All you do is just pop those open, set it up, plug it up, and then the light comes on. So it's really simple to use. Alright, so in this next clip here, what I'm doing is pretty much going to Pinterest, looking online to come up with some ideas. I have a nail board on Pinterest that I use to come up with different ideas. Sometimes I'll look at pictures or go to Google and look at different images just to come up with some concepts. So these are the nails that I'm going to be using. These are called BT Art Box. They are 500 pieces and it comes with 10 different sizes. I actually found this on Amazon. I love that they have numbers. The only thing is a little tip about these nails. I kept them in their original shape because I noticed that when I was filing them down, it had like this really weird chemical odor. It was like some weird fumes. I don't know what this is made of. I didn't read to see if it was harmful. It says that it was, #1 rated on Amazon, but just a quick tip. If you are going to be filing them down, definitely, it doesn't smell good at all. Wear a mask or something. And they are just your typical almond shape. So what I'm going to do here is start picking out the sizes. Each of them have a number at the bottom so you can know what number fits your nail. So what I'm doing here in this next clip is these are the stand that I use to put my nails on. I found these on Amazon as well. I'll have a link for everything down below. But what this stand does, it allows you to have a base to put your nails on top of while you design them. If you guys watch my previous nail video, you know that I showed a little trick that I use, which is a pin trick. that still comes in handy if you don't have this. These are pretty much inexpensive. You can get them. I think I got a set of, it was 2 in the pack, and it cost me like $7. It was like $6.99 on Amazon. So that's how you set it up. It has magnets on the bottom, so you just put that on top of the stand, and you just set up each one like that. And once you get it set up, you have like a perfect base where you can put your nails on top of, and it gives you room to see your design and also be able to apply your polish pretty easily. So I absolutely love this. It came in so handy and it's so convenient, and that's what I use when I do my press-on nails. So what you're going to need to make your nails stick on top of the stand is this putty from Loctite. I've already used it, as you guys can see. So what I do is I just take off a little bit and peel it off, and it's pretty sticky, and when I peel that off, I just break it up into little pieces. And in the next clip you'll see what I do, how I just break it up into little pieces, and then I roll it up, put it on top of my stand, and this allows me to have a base to put my nails on top of. So the sticky part, the nails stick on top of the sticky part. You do have to be careful because when you're curing and polishing, it can stick to the bottom of the nail, but it easily comes off. All you have to do is just, you know, get like a rag or something and rub it off from there. So that's pretty much how the nail sticks on top of it. I don't put it too far towards the end or too far towards the top of the nail. I put it definitely right in the center, and there it is. I have all the putty on top of the stand. And for the bigger nails, I put a little bit more putty on it so it'll be sturdy, so it'll have a firm base, so I don't have to worry about it, you know, moving or anything when I'm polishing. These are my hands. You guys, do not judge me. I know my nails look a mess, but my hands are all washed and clean, and I've got all that oil and dirt off of my fingernails. Also, excuse my hands. You guys, I actually burned my fingers, a couple of my fingers, when I was cooking. But that's besides the point. So what I'm doing here is looking at the numbers, and what I'm going to do is fit each number to each finger to see what number fits which finger. I hope that makes sense. I'm pretty much taking the nail, putting it on each of my fingers to see which nail fits which finger. Yeah, that's what I'm doing in this shot right here. And as I get every nail down, I'm going to go ahead and lay them out. As you can see, I've laid them out there, so I have them all picked out for both hands. And what I'm going to do is start setting them up onto my nail stand, and I'm going to give you guys like a better shot so you can see what it looks like up close. And here we go. So that is how I place the nails on there. Like I said, I put it towards the center so it can be firm, and then I push down a little bit just to make sure they're on there pretty good, so I don't have any issues when I start polishing and designing. And here's a better close-up view of what it looks like when I have all the nails placed on there and ready to go. So what I'm going to do is, I have this set that I had from Amazon. This actually was a gem. It came with like so many different things in this pack, and I think I only paid like $15 for this. It has stickers, it has foil, glitter, and a whole bunch of other stuff. And I also picked up some brushes. These are nail brushes. They come in different sizes. It has brushes in here, and it also has like the picker, the rhinestone picker is in there as well. And it has a brush. Yeah, it has a buffer. So all of these items were a steal. I will have them linked down below. And as you can see, these brushes are the super tiny brushes that you can use to do your designs. And it had these really cute butterfly stickers, foil, gold foil and silver foil. It has these nice, it had rhinestones, and then it had like glitter stickers as well, and then it had these cute flower and different fruit type stickers, and also had tools in there. It was just a gem. It had like so many different stuff. I just absolutely love it. So I'm filing my nail down in this clip, and as I mentioned previously, filing these nails down were horrible. The scent was horrible. Alright, so to start off, I'm going to use my Nude Brown, which is the swim, what is it, Sea, Swing and Swim color. I'm going to use that as the bottom because what I'm doing is a French tip So this is going to be the base for the French tip. And then for the tips, I'm going to be using this green color, the Serendipity color. And two of my nails, I'm actually going to do a solid design. So let's get into it. As you can see here, I have my stand set up and I have all my nails set, ready to go. So I'm going to go in and start polishing them. So I'm just polishing the base here. I don't know how far I'm gonna set it up, where my tip is gonna start. I'm just kind of eyeballing it, looking at my hand, and just kind of eyeballing it from there. And then what I'm gonna do is just set it up under my light and let it cure for a little bit. And as that is curing, what I'm gonna start next is my two nails that are going to be solid color. I'm gonna start working on those as the base coat is curing. Alright, so I'm just polishing my solid color nails here. I'm polishing with the solid green glitter color. Just an up close view to let you guys know. And when I'm polishing the nails, I go in both directions and I try to get the coat even all over the nail. And that is the convenient part about having the stand, that you could just hold it up and be able to polish your nail and get like an even coat on all sides and also on the tips, just to have like a flawless finish. So I'm just going to go ahead and let that cure. And as you can see, I have my the bottom part of my French tips done. So I'm going to go in with the tips and start coloring them in. And these are the two green nails. They are cured and coated and ready to go. So I'm going to do a design. The design that I want to do is with gold foil, because these nails give me like a jade, I guess that is, yeah, a jade stone kind of vibe. So it was giving me like jewel tone. So I felt like the gold foil would just set it off. So what I did was just add some of that gold foil on there. And you guys can't really tell, but the gold foil has like some green tones in it. So it's really pretty. It just set it off. And I love these nails so much. That is what they look like when I'm done. And then I top it off with my top coat. And that is the finished product. I love these nails so much. They came out so pretty. I love how the French tips came out looking so natural. It was just so flawless and so pretty. These are my favorite. Alright, so I'm going to be setting up for my next design here. The next design is going to be really cute and girly. I'm using this pink, which is called Less is More. Again, bubblegum pink. And like I stated before, it smells so good. And this is my top coat that I'm going to be using with it to apply my rhinestones and butterflies. So same process, pretty much repetitive and self-explanatory. I have my stand here and I have my putty on top of my stand, and I'm going to place my nails on top of them so I can go ahead and start designing my nails. It'll be a repetitive process. Once you guys get the feel of how I set everything up, this is pretty much how everything is done when it comes to making your press-on nails and then getting your nails onto your stand. You can pretty much do whatever design you want to do or come up with whatever ideas you want to come up with. So I'm using this bubblegum pink, and I'm going to be using some glitter, butterfly glitter and rhinestones. So I start off here by polishing my nails. I'm going to put like maybe 2 coats. What I do, I don't show you guys in this clip. Excuse me, I don't show you guys in this clip, but what I do is I will coat it once, cure it under my lamp, and then coat it again. And I did it like 3 times until I got the coat that I wanted. And as you can see, I'm going back over it here one more time, and I'm going to put it under the lamp until I got like a really nice pink shade. And that's the good thing about gel polish, it's pretty buildable. And then I have my butterflies here, which I'm going to be applying these onto the top of the nail. So to pick up the butterflies, what I do is I take my clear coat, and I have this clear plastic that one of the products came out of. So I just lay a layer of that onto the clear plastic, and I'm going to use that to pick up the butterflies to apply to my nails. So I have my picker, my rhinestone picker there, and I just pick up each butterfly. I use 3 different shades. I use the hot pink, the purple, and then like the kind of magenta, like softer purplish pink looking color. And I'm only doing this on one nail, so I'm going to just apply those in no particular order, just until I get the nail pretty much coated. And once I have all my butterflies and rhinestones in place, I'm going to top it off with my clear top coat, put it under the lamp, let it cure, and then we are good to go. And these are the finished product. I went ahead and added some rhinestones to the bottom just to give it a little bit more detail. And I have that one full butterfly nail. These came out really cute and girly. They were so pretty. I love them. Again, you'll see a better view in the next clip. There we go. And so there they are. Love, love, love. So, so cute. Alright, so for my last set of nails here, I'm going to be using the ice skating color, which is this nice neutral tone color. I didn't know what type of design I wanted to do first. As you guys will see that I pretty much freestyled this design. I know I wanted to do something that was minimalistic and also with like an abstract feel. So I have two nails that have like an abstract design, and then the rest of them had just like a minimalistic design. So I have all my nails set up here. I'm going to go over each nail with one or two coats. I'm just polishing it here, and what I do is I put it up under the lamp, let it cure, apply another coat until I get it to the consistency that I like. And then I'm going to start doing my designs. So, and here we are. Finish. To be honest with you, I love this by itself. I could have just left the nails just like this because this color is just so pretty on its own. I could have just had, like, if I was going for just like a very simple vibe, I would have just kept it like that, but I decided to add some designs to it. I had some black and white gel polish that I had on hand already, so I'm going to use those to do the design on the nails. And I'm using my very thin brush here, and I have some acetone nail polish, acetone nail polish remover in case I mess up. And here we are with the final nails all painted and done. I freestyle, like I said, you know, but they came out pretty cute. I like them. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, and actually do not click off the video yet because I am inserting clips of the final. Here they are, and this is what they look like. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below, let me know which one was your favorite. Also, if you guys are interested in trying gel polish from Nail Addict, I will have a special code listed down below in the description. Alright, see you guys in the next video.